always thought I was a different kind. Cause back in time I used to think that everyone was blind. They always call me as a loser, zero. When I look into the mirror, there's a superhero. People thought that I would never amount to anything. Dream away the day my thoughts to me were deafening. Never could express myself to get the words right. But I'm a different man when they taste tonight. You think I'm crazy, that I've lost my